Hey guys, welcome. If you're seeing this, you're probably watching the replay, so go ahead and comment hashtag replay so I know you've watched. Give me a few minutes to get this shared. Let's see. Hey guys, welcome. Hey guys, welcome. Don't want to do that. Let me turn this volume down. Facebook makes it so difficult to get to where you want to go sometimes. Alright, let's get this shared. Alright, so welcome everyone. As you are hopping on, please say hello so I know you're here. If you are new, my name is Nancy. I'm the owner of Jolie Blanc Creations, and I'm a Club Couture independent designer and mentor. So today, I just have a simple project for this afternoon, just something cute. I am getting ready for Christmas and doing Christmas projects. So, this is this transfer is the name of one of my favorite Christmas movies. It's a Wonderful Life. Isn't that pretty? It's just so simple and delicate looking. And I love this movie. So I wanted to make a little sign that I can hang on my wall for Christmas. I'm going to be using this chalkboard. I got it. I've had it a couple of years, I think. I've just had it kind of in storage. I want to say I got it from Michael's, but I'm not sure. So I'm just using this chalkboard, and we're using two colors, and I wanted it to be really soft. So we're going to be using our Lakeshore paste, which is this light blue. And for the snowflakes, I'm going to be using this Shimmer Frost. Alrighty, so let's get going, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. And if you're interested in anything you're seeing today, all of my links are in the description of the video. So let's get going. Let me get this open. And this won't take very long. Usually these, you can do projects fairly quickly. So our transfers are reusable and they're adhesive backed. So what I like to do, because the transfer is going to go back on the backer sheet, I like to write on the back so I know this is its sheet, this is its backer, and this is the back. All right, Wonderful Life. All right, so let's get this ready. We're going to peel this off of its backer sheet, and then we're going to fuzz it. So fuzzing is, we want to, because it's sticky and it's super sticky, if you were to put this down on the smooth surface like this, it could stick so bad that it could actually, when you're trying to peel it up, you could have a really, really rough time, and it could actually stretch out your transfer. You don't want to do that because they're reusable like up to 8 to 12 times, according to the company, 8 to 12 times. But guys, I'm going to tell you, I have some transfers I've used over 20 and 30 times. So if you take care of these transfers, you can use them for a really long time. All of the white parts you see are a really, really fine mesh silk screen, okay? So this is what I use to fuzz. This is our fuzzing cloth. It is available on my website. It's two-sided. Mine are dirty. They're always dirty because I use them every day. You can just throw them in the washing machine though. This side is terry cloth, and that's what I'm going to use to fuzz. The other side is actually a microfiber that you can use to dry. Because our chalk pastes are removable with water. So let's say I did this project and I don't like it, I can literally take a spray bottle with water, spray it with water, and wipe it off. Okay? So let's go ahead and remove this from the backer, and we're going to fuzz. Now guys, I would really appreciate it if you would share this video for me, especially if this is something that you enjoy. If you know anyone else that might enjoy this, go ahead and share. Alright, so we're just going to do this a few times just to get some lint on the back. Alright, and I think that's going to be okay. So let's move this out of the way and bring this down so we can, oh, I'm eating hair. So we can place our transfer where we want it. Make sure I don't have any little dust particles or anything. Hey Elizabeth! Oh, thanks girl! I'm going to try to get this in the center as close as possible. And I think that actually looks okay. Let me see. Okay. All right. So I just want to spread this out. I see an air bubble. I want to make sure I don't have any air bubbles. I want to smooth it out. Oops, and I see a piece of fuzz in my silk screen where I don't want it. You don't want anything blocking the actual screen because you want your paste to go through that screen. There. Yep. Okay. There we go. So, I am actually gonna do the snowflakes first because I'm doing that with a shimmer paste. Our shimmer paste take a little longer to dry. So once you paste this, you want to move fairly quickly because our paste dries pretty quick. And you don't want your paste to dry in the silk screen while it's still on your board because you want it to pass through the silk screen and stick to your board, not stay on your screen. Okay? So because our shimmer paste take a little longer, I'm going to do that one first. I'm going to go ahead and open up both pastes though, so I can get them both ready and I don't have to waste time doing that. So what you want to do with your paste when you open it, you want to take, I use these little stir sticks. You want to give it a stir. And guys, this is so gorgeous. This is like a white with not really a glitter, but like a really, really fine shimmer powder. I don't know if y'all can see that or see how it shimmers, but it is gorgeous. So let me get this one stirred, and this is a really pretty light blue. This one's called Lakeshore, and it's a good consistency. You really want your paste to be somewhat of a cake batter consistency when you're stirring. Okay, and that actually looks good. Alright, so like I said, I'm going to do my Shimmer Snowflakes first. So I'm going to take some paste on my stir stick and I'm just going to drop it down where all these little snowflakes are. Now I'm going to take a squeegee and we're going to spread the paste, making sure it's going through your silk screen. Ooh, excuse me guys, hiccup. Now this has little dots, so I'm covering those little dots as well. And I'm going to leave this fairly leave this fairly thick for now. But we're going to come back and scrape that off. Okay. Well, let's do our blue. This is such a pretty blue. So again, taking my squeegee and just spreading it through everywhere the silk screen is. So you just want that paste to go through your screen. And right now I'm just spreading it to where everything is covered. And then I'm going to come back and scrape off some excess. Alright, so now I'm just going to come through and I'm going to scrape off any excess that I have, and I'm just going to put that right back into my jar. And you just want to make sure you're pushing it through that screen though. Spot I missed right there. And like I said, this dries pretty quick. It's already dry and I can feel it. So hopefully we don't have an issue. Now I'm going to come back with the white and scrape all that up. And go right back into my jar with it. And now we're going to peel it up. So, when you peel, you don't really want to go diagonal, you want to go straight. So I'm just getting those corners up and we're going to peel straight up. And you can rock it back and forth if you're having issues. This one's still sticky. Come on. Alright. Now these guys you can clean with just water. Plain water. You can, hey Penny, you can rinse it under the sink, or I have a little bucket of water over here and I use a board eraser. These are also available on our website. They come 2 in a pack. And just plain water and clean it just like you'd be washing dishes. So, alright. Our project is so cute. Guys, look how this came out. So pretty. Look at that. Hey, Natalie. What do y'all think? Very simple. It did not take a lot of time. You can quickly make your own Christmas decorations, or you can make gifts, make Christmas gifts, or birthday gifts or whatever, we have some amazing transfers available. Isn't that cute? That's okay, Natalie. Thanks. Very cute, very simple. One of my favorite movies. Alright, so I'm just going to scrape my drawers here and clean them up. Does anyone have any questions? If this is something that you are interested in, you can reach out to me if you'd like, if you have any questions. Thanks, Penny. All of my links, guys, are in the description of this video. So you can definitely go to the description and click any of the links, anything that you're interested in. Yeah, and I think that's it, unless anybody has any questions. Clean this off my hands. What I really love about this paste is that it just cleans up with water. Alrighty. So, thanks everyone for joining today. I will be live again tonight around 9 o'clock Central, which is my normal time to go live. Alright. So hopefully you will all join me again tonight. If, like I said, if this is something that you think you like or you think you want to do or you're interested in the products, definitely check out my links. Thanks, Elizabeth. So, alright guys. Y'all have a great day and hopefully I'll see y'all later tonight. Alright. Bye.